Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. The first thing I associate with summer is barbecue. And what comes after that? Burgers. I love them, and in today's episode, I'll show you another one of my tasty recipes. Mushroom Swiss burgers. These guys are totally OMG, and you'll see why in a few seconds. So my friends, let's get cooking. We'll start by making the patties. In a large bowl, we'll add ground beef, a couple tablespoons of onion flakes, then some Montreal steak spice. And to get my homemade blend, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add garlic powder and freshly ground black pepper. With our clean hands, and trust me, it works better that way, we'll toss the ingredients until nicely blended before forming the mixture into patties. Yes, I'm cheating with this little gadget because it does the job fast and also evenly, but feel free to make them by hand. When this step is done, we'll cover the patties with plastic wrap and transfer them to the fridge for at least 2 hours. A few hours later, we'll take the patties out of the fridge and let them get to room temperature. Now, in a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. And when it starts sizzling, we'll add our sliced onions and sprinkle on some ground sea salt. We'll mix so the slices are well coated with butter and cook until soft, stirring often. That should take about 7 minutes. To this, we'll add the mushrooms and lots of them. We'll combine them with the onions and cook for 2 minutes, stirring frequently, before adding another tablespoon of butter, because everything tastes better with butter. We'll also season with freshly ground black pepper. And of course, we'll mix until the butter is melted, then cook for 3 minutes, stirring often. A few minutes later, we'll add pressed garlic and saute for 1 minute, making sure it's well incorporated into the mixture. Next, we'll add some fresh rosemary, and once again, we'll stir it with the rest of the ingredients. We'll now add Worcestershire sauce, as well as sherry, although port is another great substitute. Again, we'll stir and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes, stirring often. When time is up, we'll taste and adjust if necessary, reduce the heat to low, and keep it warm until needed. Now, let's move on to the barbecue. When the temperature reaches 500 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll place the patties on the grates, close the lid, and grill them for about 6 to 7 minutes before flipping them, close the lid, and cook for another 6 to 7 minutes. 3 minutes before the patties are done, we'll place the hamburger buns on the top rack and toast them for 2 minutes. We'll also place a couple slices of Swiss cheese per patty, then close the lid and continue grilling until the buns are nicely toasted and the cheese is melted. To assemble, we'll scoop up a generous amount of the mushroom mixture using a slotted spoon. For the top buns, we'll spread on some of my homemade mayonnaise, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. And my friends, these are our mushroom Swiss burgers. They're absolutely fabulous. With a tasty onion mushroom topping, these guys are out of this world. While summer's still here, fire up your barbecue and enjoy this incredible finger food recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bye. appétit!